Hey guys, welcome back. I just pinged it a little bit ago on how did we do, and kind of compiled the numbers, pulled the reporting. Not exactly great, but we got the pieces we needed. Like everything didn't. Again, this was just a process of training. There was a wiring mistake that was made, so again, there were errors and issues, and this is exactly why, we weren't spending any money until we actually got it working. And so we got some success. We do know that the wiring harness does work. Looking to see if we actually would have made money or not. Again, with the FTSO, there's a lot of things that go into what making money actually looks like, but were you accurate and that kind of stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, guys, just finishing up this little research here. Obviously, we did not do well, it says. We would have ranked 84 of 88, so had we been on there, we would not have been very good. We'd been one of the worst providers. Again, why we're running the tests now. So that's the beauty of doing this. We're going to continue running some tests, guys, and we'll let you know how it goes when we get to that point. I hope everybody's enjoyed this little series on kind of what it looks like going through the FTSO. Again, like I talk about in my AI courses, it's not that AI can't do it. It's you've got to figure out how to do it with AI. So, yeah, guys, look forward to more video series. You got any questions, let us know. Give us a follow.